Hello friends, welcome all of you in my channel S&T Power Vision. In this video, you'll learn about the application of SCF and LCM here. Applications means we'll just learn about how to find the SCF and LCM of the given number here. So how to apply and how to solve the problem here. So we'll learn here in this video. So question number 8 is find the largest number which divides 438 and 606, leaving remainder 6 in each case here. So remember one rule here, whenever it talks about the largest number, in that case we have to go find the SCF here. So we will see here. First we'll take 438 minus 6 is equal to 432. And second number is 606 minus 6 equal to 600 here. So we have to find the SCF of these two number. So 432 equal to 4 into 3 cube. Since I have teach you how to do the prime factor to find the SCF and LCM, so you do those step calculation in your notebook. Please don't expect that I will do the prime factor and all in a phrase steps here. By doing this, my video length will increase and it will take a lot of time here. That's why I am leaving you certain steps up to you to solve all those things here. After that, next is the 600 here. 600 here equal to means 2 cube into 3 into 5. So SCF is equal to 2 cube into 3 equal to 24. So to verify the result, if you divide 438 and 606 by 24, after division we will get the remainder 6 here. So 24 is the answer here. So 24 is the largest number which we divide 430 and 606. We will get the remainder 6 in each case here. So next question is find the largest number which divides 320 and 457, leaving remainder 5 and 7 here. So we'll do the same method here. Since it is asking about the largest number, so we'll find the SCF. Since we have to leave the remainder 5 and 7 from 320 and 457, so we'll solve this problem using same method here. So 320 minus 5 is equal to 315. 450. So 315 equal to 3 square into 5 into 7. After that 450 equal to 2 into 3 square into 5 square. Now SCF equal to 3 square into 5 equal to 45. So here 45 is the largest number which divide 320 and 457, leaving remainder 5 and 7 respectively here. If you want, you can verify the result means divide 320 and 457, we will get the remainder 5 and 7 here. So next question is find the least number which when divide 35, 56 and 91 leave the same remainder 7 in each case here. Here, if you see here, the question is asking about find the least number. So whenever it is asking about the least number, means we have to go for the LCM here. It is not true in every case here, but most of the cases it is the thumb rule here. Means largest or highest, we have to go for SCF. least number, lowest, this kind of word means you have to go for the LCM here. So we'll see here. 35 equal to 5 into 7. 56 equal to 2 cube into 7. After that 91 is equal to 13 into 7 here. Now LCM equal to, we'll take 2 cube 5 into 13 into 7. So answer is 3640. Since we have to get the remainder 7 in each case here, so we'll add here 3640 plus 7 equal to 3647 here. If you want to verify the results, so divide number 3647 by 35, 56 and 91. End up the after division we'll get the remainder 7 in each case. Now next question is, find the smallest number which when divided by 28 and 32 leaves remains 8 and 12 respectively here. So here it is talking about find the smallest number here. So we'll go for the same method. Means we have to find the means LCM. So we'll go for LCM here. 28 is equal to 2 square into 7. After the 32 is equal to 2 to the power 5 here. So LCM is equal to 2 to the power 5 into 7 is equal to means 224. Yes. Now we have to find the number in such way that remainder are 8 and 12 respectively here. If you see here, when number divided by 28 and 32 and remainder are 8 and 12 here. So we'll take the difference of the two number like 28 minus 8 equal to 20 and 32 minus 12 equal to 20. If it means if we reduce the 224 number by 20, we'll get the remainder as 8 and 12 here. So we'll do the same thing. 224 minus 20 equal to 204 here. So to verify the results, if we divide 204 by 28 and 32, we'll get the remainder 8 and 12 respectively here. So next question is, find the smallest number which are when increased by 17 is exactly divisible by both 468 and 520. So since it is asking about the smallest number, so we'll go for the LCM here. So 468 equal to 2 square into 3 square into 13. After that 520 equal to 2 cube into 5 into 13. LCM equal 2 cube into 3 square into 5 into 13 equal. So here multiplication result is 4680. So next question is, which one increased by 17 here? So so here question is asking, find the smallest number which when increased by 17. So we have to decrease this number by 17 here. 4680. 6, 3. So this is the answer here. Suppose here in the 4663 we add 17 here. So number will become 4680. So which is totally divisible by 468 and 520 here. So this is the sum of the application of the HCF and LCM here. So which you have to practice a lot to get the flow here. Thank you.